Right, if you've got a family like mine, you'll know that every job that you do, you've got to go back and fix it at some point. And that's exactly what I've got to do with these shelves that I put up. So they've been swung on basically, and I'll show you, but they're now hanging out of the plasterboard wall, of the hollow wall. And I know how to fix that, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Right, this is a close-up of the damage that's been caused. So you can see that the plugs have just been pulled out of the wall and also over here as well. So I'm going to have to replace those with something a lot better. There's not that much weight's been on these, but when you've got a hollow wall, that's the sort of thing that happens. So what we'll do is we'll just clear everything down, and then we'll remove the shelves and fix the fixings. Okay, we've got the shelves cleared. Just need to take these plugs out and then unscrew the shelves from the wall, and then we'll do the repair with the correct tools. Right, both shelves off. Now let's get the repair work done. Right, the repair is going to be done with this roll plug, or this wall plug, and this tool. Now, I worked in the DIY industry for 30 years, and it wasn't until I left that I actually found out about this and about how to use these properly. Let's go through them first, and then we'll do the repair, and the shelves will not be coming off the wall. Okay, let's see how this actually works. So the way I've used these before is you drill a hole in the wall, you push it in, and if you have a closer look, you can see there's little grabbers that actually go into the plasterboard that stop it from twisting round. And then what I've done is, as I've screwed this up on a wing and a prayer, I've hoped that that's collapsed and these have come out. Well, you don't do it that way. There's a special way of doing it, and that's where the tool comes in useful. Let's have a quick look. I'm just going to use one of these smaller ones to demonstrate. Right, before you use the screw to fix whatever it is to the wall that you're doing after you've put the plug in, what you actually do first is you just unscrew it, probably be about that much. Then you get the tool, and don't forget this will be in the wall, so the plasterboard will be there like that. You get the tool while it's in the wall, you put it up like so, if you can just see that. So that's in the wall, you get this, slide it up. Oh, I need to unscrew that a bit more. So this bit's sticking out of the wall. You get your tool, you slide that in like so until it's locked into place, and then again, while this is still in the wall and the plasterboard's like that, you pull this, you close it, you see I'm closing it, and it's compressing, and then that's it. It's almost like magic. So now your plasterboard's in that bit and this is pulled tightly behind. Then you take the tool off. This is still in the plasterboard. Take the screw out, put your bracket or whatever it is onto there, and then screw into it. And trust me, when this is in the wall, it's not going anywhere. For this to come off, you're going to have to pull a huge chunk of the plasterboard off. So this type of fixing with that screw and using this tool, it's a miracle. And why didn't I know about this for 30 years? This was a la moment. Right, let's sort the shelf out. Right, so we've had a bit of a problem. Basically, I've got one of them in, no problem. But the other one, I couldn't get in because there's actually block work just behind this. So the roll plug couldn't actually go in far enough to be used. What I'm going to do is I'll go down to the garage and I'll show you going in some plasterboard there. But need to fix the shelves first. Well, at least I know why I didn't use these when I put the shelves up originally. But let's just see how to fit them. So first things first, make sure you've got the right size drill bit. In this case, it's 8mm. Pop that in. Make sure there's nothing behind it. Now I know that the wood's running up there, so we're just going to do it here. And all you do, drill the hole. Put the drill down. Get the plug. Push it in. You can see it goes home easily. Get the tool that comes with it, and remember we just need to pull that out just so that it gets purchased on this. A bit more. Okay, we're on, and then just bring it home, and it's nice and easy, and that's not going anywhere. So that's how simple it is. Let's just do a bit more. And there we go, nice and tight. As I said, that isn't going anywhere. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just absolutely solid. So then you screw that out. You've got your flush fitting, put whatever it is on there, and then that's what you're using. So this, absolutely fantastic. These fixings, the best you can have for a hollow wall. As I said, they'll hold TVs and everything, but yeah, definitely a recommendation in the right wall. Anyway, we may not have been able to use those metal roll plugs on here, but the main thing is all fixed, not going anywhere. You can see that and that. So job of the day done, but you've also seen how the metal ones work as well. I definitely recommend that you get the tool to use those, because if you've got a hollow wall, you just can't beat them. You can hang TVs on or whatever, and there's no way that the plug's going to pull through the wall because it's gripped from the back. So yeah, definitely a recommendation on those. I'll put the link below actually.